showing you how to use your MTN mobile app. So you click on your MTN mobile app. It usually takes time to load depending on your network connectivity. Okay, now here it has loaded. Actually, this section is actually the section where you have the numbers that are linked to your line. You can see the numbers that are linked to your line. I have about 3 phone numbers, MTN number linked to my line, and MTN can only allow you to register a maximum of 7 SIM cards with 1 NIN and 1 NIN. All those in Nigeria actually. So down here is the deals you can have with MTN. Any of the deal like MTN Shop, Jumia, MTN 5G or Mano. So these are the stuff you can have with MTN. And down here is other promo. Then here is your home button. Where we are now is the home. Then here is the play, where you can have access to MTN News, Sports and Podcast. Then down here is actually the help, which if you have to contact MTN customer care, get feedback, see frequently asked questions, watch the transactions and tips. You can do that from here. Then here is actually more options to have access to the team and appearance, manage your numbers, transaction history, and all sorts of. So, but where we are focusing actually is actually on home. Then this is actually my main network and my main line. So this one now is my stolen MTN SIM, and this is my router SIM. And this is actually a router too. This is actually a router, and this is actually my MiFi. This is it. So what I want to do now, I just want to show you how to buy airtime and also transfer data from one of your router balance. You have more data to your other MTN line. So that's what I just want to do now. So down here is if you want to, let me say, if you want to recharge for this, you can click this recharge. Click on it, it takes you to where you can recharge. Select the amount you want to recharge. There are multiples, and then select whether it's a WOOF offer or if there's any other package. You can select that. Then when you are done with that, you now select. You can select also to use voucher recharge to recharge with the PIN. If there's a voucher, give it to you. You can use that to recharge option. So here is actually my transaction history that I have been using since. So then I go back, then there's how to recharge. Then here is actually how to buy bundle. You click on this. When you click on buy bundle, it now asks you whether you're buying for yourself or others. You can click. If you click for others, it asks you to enter the MTN number, or you select your linked numbers down here to pick which one you want to buy for. Or just go back and you can select the data bundles you have. Down here is actually bundle categories. So is this social bundle, data and voice bundle, SMS bundle, visitors plan, or normal data bundles. So when you select that, you can now choose. Have option to choose weekly, daily, weekly, monthly, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, and yearly data plan. So you can select the one you want. So when you click on this one you want, then it takes you to this data summary section where you can select to confirm that you are buying the data. Here is bundle have been added. Here you are purchasing it for the number, just to be sure. You can turn on this to or to renew. That means after it gets expired, he uses his hand to renew itself again if there is that same amount in your account. So if I turn it off, then here is actually where to confirm the subtotal. But over here is telling me grand total is 50. So you can click proceed to pay. It now asks you whether you want to use from your ATM card or you want to buy with ATM card or with your airtime. So with this option you can now select which one you want to buy. And if you select your ATM card, it's gonna ask you for your PIN. So this section is actually the ATM card or airtime. So if you have up to this amount over here, in your airtime, fine, you can use it. But if you don't have, you can also buy from ATM card and you pay with your ATM card. So let me just show you guys how to transfer data. So I just want to transfer data from this section. I'm having 7 gig. I'm transferring the data from here to actually this my router. So my MiFi, from my router to the MiFi. So I'll click on more details, view details. And it loads. So actually here's my data plan when it expires, and actually the bonus, the price bonus, and all sorts. So here is actually airtime to see for airtime. So I'm just going to go to, you can also buy bundle, transaction history, and those ones are not, but what I'm interested in share actually sharing data. So I'll just click on share data. Then is this amount I'm sharing. Now asking me where do you want to share the data to. I'll just click on, if you have a number you want to add share to, you can click on this to enter the number. You can click on this to enter the number, but I'm not sharing to any number, I'm sharing to my linked devices. So I'll just click on this. Now select my MiFi, which is this, and you see it's telling me okay, that's selected from my router to my MiFi and asking me data, how much data plan. So you can select whichever one you want. So I just select 500 MB and click proceed, and it's telling me to review the details I'm trying to do. I looked at it and said it's okay. I'll just confirm, and it loads and sends me a congratulations message. So it said successful. So I just share the data. Now look at the transaction ID, and then you can click on share again, or you can go back to home. Just a quick one. Let me just show you guys how to link your device. You link a new number to your app. Let me just show you guys how to link your number, a new number, to your normal network. So down here you click on more, come over here, click on manage numbers. It's actually where you can link your devices. So you can click here, this plus icon over here, to add a new number. So actually here is actually link numbers. So I can select the number I want to link and also the one I want to unlink. So actually what I'll do here is actually link number. So down here is where you click to add a link number. So I'll just click on this. It shows you, it asks you to enter the number. You enter the number, then enter the name. You want to name the number so that you can be able to differentiate it. So I'm proceeding. Now adds the link number, but you actually send an OTP to the number itself to be sure that you're the one doing it. So just for verification purposes. So that's how you link a number to your MyMTN app. So these are the numbers that I've linked to actually to my router, but I'm having duplicate values here. Why? Because over here, this number, this one that I'm showing is digit icon, and the one I linked using this mobile app. Why these two down ones here are actually the ones I linked using my MTN app online, which is using the web browser, the one I access through the web. So that's what I used to link these two, so that's why you're seeing as if they are duplicates here. So, but if you want to also learn how to use my MTN app using the web version, there's a video I made on how to do that. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I will know what you guys like and what you need